Let's solve this Stanford University entrance exam together. We have 9 to the power of t to be equal to 90. For us to resolve this, let's take the log of both sides to have log of 9 to the power of t, which is equal to log of 90. From here, when we have log of m to the power of n, this is equal to n times log of m. So this becomes t times log of 9 is equal to log of 90. So we can divide both sides by the log of 9 to have t. This will cancel out this, t to be equal to log of 90 all over, this is log of 9. But we can split our 90 here to be 90, which is equal to 9 times 10. To have t is equal to log of 9 times 10 all over log of 9. So from law of logarithm, when we have log of a times b, this is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we have t to be equal to log of 9 plus log of 10 all over log of 9. So our t is equal to log of 9 over log of 9 plus log of 10 all over log of 9. So resolving this, we have t to be equal to this divided by this, we have 1 plus log of 10 over log of 9. So we have t to be equal to 1 plus our 10, we can split it into 2. We have 2 times 5 all over log of 9. So we have t to be equal to 1 plus log of 2 plus log of 5 all over log of 9. So our t is equal to 1 plus log of 2 over log of 9 plus log of 5 all over log of 9. But let's recall that our 9 is equal to 3 times 3, which is 3 to the power of 2. So our t will be equal to 1 plus log of 2 all over log of 3 to the power of 2 plus log of 5 all over log of 3 to the power of 2. So t is equal to 1 plus log of 2 all over 2 times log of 3 plus log of 5 all over 2 times log of 3. So we have t to be equal to 1 plus, when we factor out 1 over 2 here, we have 1 over 2 times log of 2 all over log of 3 plus we have 1 over 2 here times log of 5 all over log of 3. But let's recall that when we have log of a over log of b, this is equal to log 2 base b of a. So we have t to be equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 2 base 3 of 2 plus 1 over 2 times log 2 base 3 of 5. So this is our value for t. So let's verify. We have 9 to the power of t to be equal to 90. This is our value for t. We have 9 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2 times log 2 base 3 of 2 plus 1 over 2 times log 2 base 3 of 5 or equal to 90. But when we have b to the power of m plus n, this is equal to b to the power of m times b to the power of n. So our 9 here, will split them to have 9 to the power of 1 times 9 to the power of this, which is 1 over 2 times log to base 3 of 2 times 9 to the power of 1 over 2 times log to base 3 of 5 is equal to 90. Our 9 to the power of 1 is 9 times we have 9 as 3 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2 times log to base 3 of 2 times we have 3 to the power of 2 further raised to the power of 1 over 2 times log to base 3 of 5, which is equal to 90. So we have 9 times we have 3. 2 times 1 over 2 is 1, so we have log to base 3 of 2 times we have 3, and this cancel out this, we have log to base 3 of 5, or equal to 90. But when we have a to the power of log to base a of b, this is equal to b. So we have 9 here times 3 to the power of log to base 3 of 2 is equal to 2 times we have 3 to the power of log to base 3 of 5, we have equal to 5, and is all equal to 90. So multiplying through here, we have 9 times 2 times 5, which is equal to 90, and 90 is equal to 90. So this implies that our left hand side equals the right hand side. So we'll conclude that our value for t. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.